Georgia, we have to do the play now.
No.
Yes. I want to do the play.
You do, but I don't want to do the play. So I'm not going to do the play. You can do the play.
But Georgia, we have to.
No, we don't have to.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
We are going to do a play about Princess Polly and Prince Joel. Princess Polly is acted by Georgia. Don't make faces. Prince Joel is acted by Emily. Ha, 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 ha.
Let them go, ha, 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 ha. And Daddy will go, hoo, 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 hoo.
Princess Jane is Joel's sister.
I want to see what she looks like. Does she have brown hair on her nose?
No, she doesn't. She's a very pretty girl. She looks just like you. First scene takes place in the thinking room.
It is such a windy day outside. Gaga.
Don't you want to do the play?
No, I'm too tired of
No.
doing these dumb plays over and over.
Just do it. I'm gonna say
Gaga means what I'm doing.
It's such a windy day outside.
I cook candy.
Polly, I really don't want to leave you.
Well, you can leave me. It's all right.
You see, Jane is my sister, and she's in terrible trouble. And so I have to go save her. Oh, Jane, I like you very much, but I can't marry you because you're my sister.
You can marry whatever you want. You don't have to marry me. No.
Do you want to marry me?
I'm not sure if I can say this. Who would you want to marry?
Well,
you heard. I cannot say it again, but you heard me. Who do you want to marry?
I want to marry
Charles.
No, I do not.
You know who's he gonna be when you're the age to marry somebody?
He's not going to be an old man. Because, listen, Daddy is...
But you're not going to marry Daddy.
I know, but, you see, Daddy's 10 years older than Mommy. But... excuse me.
We found a dead rabbit. He was in a cabinet. Now, he'll be putting in a newspaper. And then there was a shovel. Marky dug the hole. Then we put the rabbit in. And then me and Ellie made little signs for it.
Polly, Jane is caught by a dragon, so I must go save her. Oh, Jane. Jane, are you tied down there?
Yes.
Now, Jane, where is the dragon's treasure?
In the bathroom.
It is.
It's in the bathroom.
Oh. Well, do you want me to go into the bathroom and get it?
Yes.
Now, you have to be the dragon.
Who's the eye? Who's in the bathroom?
I am here to get your treasure.
Oh, well, I should cut off your head.
And I'll cut your eyeballs out.
Well, that's what's the matter. I have eyes on my feet.
Then I'll cut your feet off, too.
I don't care. I have green eyes all over me.
Then I'll go and get your treasure and then run away with my sister. Oh, good. All the treasure that has been stolen from Father.
No. Why do you like to do plays all the time? I want to make up another play. I'll be a kangaroo and you'll be a giraffe. And we'll think of taking our children for a ride. They can climb up on your big neck. And then they'll be happy. They won't be sad. It seems so different, 3 different things.
I hear them waking up right now.
Oh, hooray, hooray, hooray! Do you want to take a ride in my pocket? Yeah, sure. Let's go.
bum, bum.
Hippity
bum,
hoppity, hippity
bum,
hoppity,
bum,
jumping up and down. Hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity. Do you have the fun? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Here's your children, Mrs. Giraffe.
And here's yours. They were angels.
Oh, were you angels? Why, yes, Mommy.
Please, Polly, you do want to marry me.
I don't. Marry your wife.
I don't have a wife. Oh, dear, dear.
What?
Polly, do you love me? I love you.
Yes.
Oh, Polly, do you want to get married?
Yeah.
Let's get married.
Da 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 da. I had a dream a long time ago, and it was a very scary dream. And if I go somewhere down in one of the buildings, I would die. Somebody would shoot me. So, someone shot me, but I didn't die, and it was very nice.
When you're a little baby about this big, because you're in your mommy's tummy, and you just eat and you stretch like that, and the doctor puts you upside down.
Why?
I don't know, he puts you upside down. The doctor puts you in a little pink blanket, and he gives you to Mommy.
When the doctor took you out of your stomach, put you in a blanket, and then your mother took you home and got married and everything. And then she fed you food, and then when you had children, you grew up, and then after you're that, you're an old lady. I was a boy from my father, and my mommy planted the seed.
Don't be silly.
Well, then what happened to the seed? It died.
Don't worry.
That's what it did. It died. The seed.
But the seed is the baby, and you're the baby, and then you grow up.
Well, then when you finish growing up, you die. The seed died.
Yeah, but that's after it had its life. It had its life.
I know. It grew and grew and grew till it was 6 years old. And then it played and played and played and played until it was 7 years old. Then it played and played and played until it was 8 years old. And then you began a little old lady.